Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. My name is Sharana and I am a busy mom of 4 little girls who keep me on my toes at all times. If you enjoy cleaning motivation, organization, and occasional home decor videos, I hope you will consider subscribing so you don't miss a video. I took a 90 by 90 inch bridal satin fabric tablecloth and I gathered it, and then I used twist ties to kind of create the gathered looks in certain spots. And then I also used those same twist ties to attach them to the tree. And then what I did was I just hid the twist ties inside the tree, and I hid them also with bling wrap, like the mesh, rhinestone mesh, and also different little clusters of ornaments. I also took some ornaments and I created kind of a cluster effect. I don't know if you've heard of that, but where you take clusters of ornaments and then you put them all together. It almost looks like little berries. But I took 3 totally different ornaments around the same size, and then I ran a pipe cleaner through them. And then what I did was I just gathered them together and then used that pipe cleaner to attach them to the branch. So here what you're seeing is I'm just kind of continuing to wrap the fabric around the tree. I'll be honest, I did not decorate the back of the tree. I just felt like, hey, focus on what people can see, right? So I'm just kind of doing that, and I'm making it look like I did make it go around the tree, but then I'm kind of like offsetting it a little bit to make it a little different too. And now I'm just kind of filling in spots with poinsettias and just various different size and textures of ornaments. I'm also going inside of the tree as well to kind of put ornaments to just kind of give it a little bit of dimension. What are some Christmas tree decorating tips that you would like to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Most of the ornaments I put on were either done with a twist tie, like a silver, not a twist tie, a pipe cleaner, like a silver one or a white one, just to kind of match the theme. But some of them I also just, if they had a large enough hook or a large enough hole, I put them on a branch directly. And that way it kind of just doesn't allow for more of I don't want more of a hanging look. I wanted more of a ornament directly on the branch type look. And now what I'm doing is just kind of filling in the tree with more ornaments and some of those kind of random ornaments that don't really, they kind of match, but they match on their own. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Here what I did was I took a twist tie and I'm just showing how I wrapped the ornament onto the branch. And these are some beautiful ornaments. I wish I could find more of them, but my mother-in-law gave them to me. They're little beautiful ballerinas with feathers. And I'm putting them there to kind of tie in that snowy look. Here, I decided to take my painting down temporarily, and I wanted everything to match, so I put up a very pretty pearl wreath in the place of that picture. I also used a frosted or flocked type garland, and I just am now flanking both sides with some of my decorations that I've done for like bridal events and things, just to make it a little bit more elegant. So I filled in some more with like some silver trees, and then now I'm just putting up a couple snowflakes because I wanted to really bring out the snowy winter wonderland feel, especially on the mantle. Just to try to add some height to the bottom of the mantle, I wanted to also add in some of my silver branches. And I'm using rhinestone, kind of a bling type look, like a table runner, to actually put, you know, instead of a ribbon on the garland. Just giving it a more glam effect. And you gotta hang the L for Lee shaped stocking, or the L stocking, on the mantle. Here what you see is just me trying to add some pops in the kitchen. I have a lot of brown in the kitchen, and so I'm just trying to bring out some white up there. So I've never really decorated up there before and wanted to do that this year. So I'm just putting some various size ornaments up there. And here is where I decided to do like a Winter Wonderland chandelier. Took some snowflake ornaments and put some lights in there and some batting to make it look like snow. So here I needed to take whatever I had on the table at first down, and I decided to go ahead and just kind of clean the table first, wipe it down, clean it, sanitize it and everything to get it ready for the new tablescape. So here I'm putting down a satin table runner, the white satin, and then I'm putting down some silver plate chargers, and the cut glass that I used actually came from Dollar Tree. Cut glass plates, cut glass glasses. And I'm just kind of filling in some of the spots with just more little decorations to add more of a snowy, I want to say a snowy forest type theme with the deer and the trees. So what I'm doing here is I'm folding napkins, white satin napkins. Actually, no, white. What are these? Cotton napkins. I'm folding these. I'm taking a rhinestone bling napkin holder and I'm wrapping it around them in the middle. Then what I did was I took some rhinestone accents or brooches. I took those and put those on top of the bling mesh to add an extra pop. I got them from Totally Dazzled. I'm not sure if they still have these for sale, but if I can find something similar, I'll link it down below. And then what I did was I took the ends of the napkins and just folded them underneath the plate charger, and it worked very well and they stayed. So here I'm trying to find out from my daughter, which one should I use? Which ornament? So she told me the silver one, so that's the one I went with. Here I am putting a flocked Christmas tree in the dining room for the first time. I've never done that. Those $30 6-foot Christmas trees from Walmart. So of course this was gonna need a little TLC. So what I'm doing is fluffing out the branches, and I'm trying to make it look as full as I can before I start adding in other embellishments and decor. What I'm doing with this tree, I'm starting off little by little. So I know I've seen some people, or I've even done it before, where they fluff everything kind of at once. No, I I will lose track of what I just fluffed. So I'm doing starting from the bottom rack all the way going up to the top. And I'm just pulling the branches kind of left, right, top, bottom as best I can, just to kind of fill out the tree as bit because it needs some help. But it was a wonderful tree. I love this tree, and you can't beat $30. Now it needs decorations. 1, 2, 3. Wish it was that easy in real life. So as you notice, I just kind of added in different floral picks. I put a tree skirt at the bottom to make it look like snow, and it's beautiful. So now I'm moving on to the stairs. So the garland that I decided to use to decorate the stairs was not the most full garland. So here is a hack. So what I did was, it's a lit garland. Got it from at home some years ago. It was like an after Christmas sale. So I decided, since it wasn't the most full garland, I would add in ribbon. So I'm just kind of weaving a really pretty silver and white ribbon I got from Walmart. I think it was like 20 feet or something. And I'm just kind of doing that to add a little height. So that's a hack that you can do if you feel like your garland is not that full. And then I just sprinkled in some poinsettias and some snowflakes. And here I'm just decorating the stairs. So what I'm doing is I have these 3 feet potted trees. And I'm putting some batting at the bottom to make it look like fake snow. And then I'm gonna add some bling wrap on top of the fake snow. And I'm putting it on either side of the stairs, on both sides. Can I just stop and admit that it took longer than I thought it would for me to do these decorations? It took like, I don't know, maybe a week. I don't know, but it just took me a long time. It just seemed like it did anyway. So I did go in and add a few other things. I wanted to cover my stairs, well, the banister, the little banister part, with silver bling wrap as well for more added glam. So here is the reveal. As you can see, I added a little bit of batting at the bottom of the stairs to kind of give like a snow look. I'm in Texas, so this is about as much snow as I'm going to get. a little bit of tulle at the bottom for a really beautiful effect. And here it is at night. Tell me in the comments below, what was your favorite decoration? And also, how long did it take you to decorate this year? Thank you again for watching, and I really hope that this video gave you some major motivation. In my next video, I will be doing a couple of DIYs and just showing some other decorations in other areas of the house. So please make sure that you subscribe because I wouldn't want you to miss anything. We need all the Christmas cheer we can get, right? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.